It's me again, you guess it, Kyrie! For today's vlog, I am gonna teach you the types of sentence. Let's go! Now we're gonna The types of sentence are question, statement, command, and exclamation. A sentence is a set of words that makes complete sense. Every sentence has two parts. Number 1, a subject. Number 2, a predicate. She is beautiful. She is a subject. And beautiful is a predicate. A writing sentence. When asking sentence, start with a question word like who, what, where, when. Who is asked about person. What, ask about object. Where is ask places. When is ask time or date. Asking sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Example, who are you? What is your favorite food? Where do you live? When is your birthday? Telling sentence. A sentence talks about details or information about someone or something. Sentence start in capital letter and end with period. Example, sun rises in the east. My father is a doctor. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong emotion and ends with an exclamation point. It expresses emotions such as excitement, surprise, happiness, and anger. Yay! We won the game! Oh no! The kid is crying! Requesting and commanding. Requesting. Sentence give an order in a polite way. Example, please give me the toy. Kindly put this in your room. Commanding. Give an unavoidable order. Example, eat your food. Buy me food. Give me the toy. Those are the types of sentence. Number 1, question. Number 2, statement. Number 3, command. Number 4, exclamation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Like, subscribe, ring the bell button. Bye!